Hey, what's this weird looking package you got here? What's in it? To be frank, I haven't the slightest idea what the contents are. All it has is this small tag that reads, treat them with care. That's not vague or suspicious at all. What do you plan on doing with it? Naturally, I want to proceed in the most ethical and proper manner, which is why I shall take this package and open it up in the other room. The proper method. Blech. Well, just wait for me. I want to see what's in it. Nah.
Yeah, you did. Hooray!
Well, would you look at that? Those little Pokemon were in there that whole time. I have no idea what we should do with them, though. Perhaps we could ask Dragonite to babysit them until we figure out where they should be placed. Buzz, you've been blissfully quiet this entire time. Are you dying?
How the heck did 4 Pokemon fit inside that small container?